Unlock the full power of Gemini by transforming it into a super-powered AI assistant with custom plugins. Today, we're diving into how you can effortlessly integrate plugins into your Gemini experience, expanding its capabilities far beyond its core functions. The first step is to locate and enable the plugin feature. Navigate to your Gemini settings or menu, where you'll find an option specifically for plugins or extensions. Once enabled, you'll typically find a marketplace or a library of available plugins. Think of this as Gemini's app store here. You can search for plugins that suit your needs, whether it's for advanced data analysis, stunning visualizations, or even coding assistance. When you find a plugin that interests you, it's crucial to review its details. Pay close attention to the plugin's description to understand what it does, its compatibility with your Gemini version, and importantly, any permissions it might require. Before you hit install, a vital step is to verify the safety and reliability of the plugin. Look for developer information, read user reviews, and ensure the plugin comes from a trusted source. This protects your data and maintains a secure Gemini environment. After installation, enabling the plugin is usually a simple toggle now. When you interact with Gemini, it can leverage the plugin's capabilities. For instance, if you've installed a data visualization plugin, you can ask Gemini to analyze a dataset and then instantly generate charts and graphs. The benefits are immense. Imagine streamlining your research, automating complex tasks, or gaining deeper insights from your data, all within a single, intuitive interface. Plugins transform Gemini from a powerful AI into a tailored powerhouse for your specific workflows. Start exploring the world of Gemini plugins today and revolutionize the way you work with AI.